Hey guys, Raymond Cinemato here. It's what's the date today? It's like the 23rd, 24th?
Probably like the 23rd of that.
It's like the 23rd, I think, maybe the 24th, in San Luis Obispo, and I climbed to the top of the world over here, Bishop's Peak. Here we go. So I came up from down there, kind of came around from over there. There's some seating over there. It's like kind of what you see when you get to the top at first. And then, oh look, people can rock climb up here. Cool. Then you can just kind of like see the switchbacks heading down this guy. It gets a little hairier once you get outside of what I can see right now. There's some people coming up right there. Let's see what the world looks like over here. Excuse me. So, it doesn't really do it justice to look at the edge from here. This lens of vantage point. But it's pretty high. I'm parked. There's spikes of cars here. And this here is Logan, my new friend, right, Logan?
Yeah.
All right.